Hey everybody, it's Sarek here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of my new office chair for my home office. Now, I spent a lot of time researching online, finding the best office, because to be honest, I bought chairs from Staples and a lot of the other office stores throughout the years, and I've always found them to be subpar, I guess you could say. Even the more expensive ones that I would go to the store and I'd try and I'd sit on, I always found that they were made out of either cheap leather or pleather or different things like that, and they always ended up wearing out over time. So this time around, I took a lot of due diligence looking to find an office chair that I thought would be more towards the top of the line, not too expensive where I have to take out a loan for it or something like that, but not the cheapest chair that you can find out there. So this is the ErgoChair 2 by Autonomous. And I'll put a link to their website down below, of course, with a discount code for anywhere from $20 to $200 off of an order if you're interested, because they do have a tiered discount plan. So the way this link works is that the more you spend with them, if you're getting 2 chairs or maybe a desk or something like that, your discount increases. So I'll leave that link down to below in case you're interested. But the ErgoChair 2 has a ton of features with it. Besides having a place for you to put your legs and stretch out, to the tilting mechanisms, to just the quality that was in it, you can really tell that the craftsmanship and workmanship that goes into this chair is something elevated above and beyond what you get at your local Staples or Office Max or any other discount regular office center like that. So without further ado, let's open up this and see what's in the box. Now I'm going to speed most of this up once we get in here, actually, because I doubt you want to see me put together this chair from start to finish, but I will definitely show you what it looks like at the end. Oh, look at that. First thing I like is a box within a box. Not that I'm all about extra cardboard, but I do appreciate some good packaging, because I've had enough things shipped to me which haven't withstood the test of UPS or FedEx, and I can see that these folks want to make sure that doesn't happen. So looks like the first thing we have is maybe the back of the chair. I'm always cautious with this foam because I never really want to damage what's inside. Look at this. So the chair does come in a wide variety of color combinations. I chose the black and white because it best suited my office. Wow, they really went to town with packaging here. Wow. So, first thing that I can tell you about this is very sturdy. So this is obviously the back of the chair, and although this is plastic, and that was something when I was looking online, I found a few chairs that were very similar to this, that had these type of mechanisms and had a plastic backing, and they were about a half or even a third of the price. They were maybe around $100, and I at first said, well, that's a great deal. But then I looked at a lot of the reviews, and they had like 2-star and 1-star reviews, because a lot of the plastic was breaking, and basically all those were cheap Chinese knockoffs. This right here though, I mean, I feel like I could chop wood with this chair. So anyway, let me go ahead and start putting together the rest of this chair. We'll put it on the time lapse here, or just check in at the end, and go from there. Okay, and so this is everything that comes in that box. Everything that you would assume would come with most chairs, but I will say very well packaged again, and yeah, so I'm gonna start putting this together and let's see what it looks like at the end. Okay, the chair is done and completed. It took about 15 minutes to assemble it, which is not too bad for a chair like this. Honestly, the main things were just kind of going through the instructions to make sure it was all put together right. But if you put together any chair, that's about it. This chair though, man, everything about it screams quality. So I have sat in it once. Sorry, didn't do the big reveal with you guys on camera, but I will now, and I will say, very nice. Very nice. The cushioning on here, you can tell, is something of, again, higher grade. But what is one of the coolest things about this chair? All of the things you can customize about it. The seat slides forward, slides backwards. This back support right here, oh man, this is lower back support to the nth degree. Sitting here, you can get the most proper posture available, straight upright, or if you go, you know what, I got 10 minutes of break time and I just kind of want to go to sleep for a little bit, maybe you just go to sleep for a little bit. I'm just saying, it's an option, it's available. But with all those things right there, you can raise your chair up, you can move your armrest over, out, back, down. Anything you can possibly imagine, you can do with it. But one of the things that I really like is this head support. A lot of the time, when I'm at my desk, I'm often leaning back in my chair and I'll have my feet up on a desk, doing work, not sleeping. And you know, normal chairs, you're just kind of left with your head there because many chairs end right here. Having this extra back support means that you can lean back or even sit up in your chair a little bit. Just lock that sucker into position, it's not going anywhere now. And you've got that head support, that back support, etc. So I will say, right now, out of the box, I'm giving this chair a 9 out of 10. Why not 10? Well, because I still had to buy it and assemble it myself. But nothing's free in this world, and to that point, don't forget to click the link down below for that discount. If you want to check out one of these chairs, that helps us out, helps you guys out. And until next time, remember, like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff as always. Cheers.